Hello, PDI, and welcome to 2019. You know, it seems like only yesterday we were ringing in 2018 with a new acquisition, adding numerous customers and team members to the PDI family. Time certainly flies, and it's amazing to see the progress we've made toward achieving our vision of becoming the leading global provider of enterprise software to the industries we serve. And I can't wait to see where we go next as one PDI team. Sure, 2018 was pretty awesome, but I have a feeling the best is yet to come. Here to talk about what's next for PDI and how we're bringing it all together, uniting behind one brand, one portfolio, and one strategy to help our customers and employees thrive. Please welcome our CEO, Mr. Jimmy Frangus.
Hello PDI and welcome to 2019. Excited to be here to talk about some of the plans we've got in store for us. We got a really busy year ahead, but a real exciting year ahead. We had a really strong 2018. We invested in the core of the business significantly, and we also did a number of acquisitions. We did actually 7 acquisitions. So the focus here in 2019 is bringing it all together. We've done a good job of what I'll call initial integration. But now we really need to bring the business together. We really want to create one PDI, kind of one common experience up under a master brand, the PDI master brand. As we plan to do that, we go back to our planning framework. We set the strategy and the initiatives in the year that'll be associated with the strategy. We then make sure that the organization is in place that aligns to the strategy. Once we make sure we've got the right organization in place, we ensure we've got the right compensation and rewards and incentive system in place so that that organization will again be aligned to deliver on the goals in the strategy. And then the last piece is the metrics and management system that we'll put in place that makes sure we are measuring the key items, the key metrics that are aligned to the strategy, that our team members understand are important so that their incentives are aligned to it, that align to the organizational structure. So of course, all of that is predicated on the building a strong culture and value system within the company, and that's at the center of the strategy. The strategy really here is to deliver solutions to this end market that we call the convenience retail and wholesale petroleum market. We start at the center with our customers and our employees. Engaged employees will deliver great product and service to customers. That product and service needs to be based on the requirements in the market. There's wholesale requirements, there's logistics requirements, there's retail requirements. We then build applications to meet those requirements. We have ERP solutions, pricing solutions, logistics solutions, and marketing solutions. So 4 lines of business that are building applications that we deliver to the end market. We are investing toward bringing those solutions together into one platform in the cloud using modern technology, leveraging things like mobility and data, utilizing the best in security to ensure that the solutions are all secure. We then complement that offering through services. So we've got your traditional implementation services and support services and training, but also managed services and other services that we offer to our customers so that they can ensure that they get the value out of the software that they have purchased from us. We fit into the broader ecosystem in the industry and create a community around our customers and our employees and the industry at large so that we're the best provider of solutions in this end market. We are also building out our platform today in the cloud that integrates across the 4 solutions, has things like a common UI, has a single sign-on, has kind of deep integration across the solution line. So again, our customers can utilize the technology, meet the requirements across the whole value chain or supply chain, and have kind of one common PDI experience as a customer or user of our software. There's complexity in this market, and our goal is to build and deliver solutions that enables our customers to successfully operate in this market with efficiency and ensuring they're driving the right margins in the business. We aspire, and we have made investments historically to get us to a point where we can deliver what I just talked about globally. We've got team members, offices, and solutions that can now be deployed in all of our geographies, and we're excited to serve the industry more holistically through the solutions, and then serve the industry across the world. We really want to create one PDI, one common experience up under a master brand, the PDI master brand. So what are some of the primary investments as we do this? On the people front, we've started this path with engagement and doing the surveys and trying to drive some initiatives that based on the feedback. We'll continue to invest in the employee experience. We're going to invest in things like location and tools that allow our employees to collaborate well. We're going to try and create more of a one PDI experience for our employees, and looking at things like a harmonization of our titles, and then all the tools that our employees interact with every day to try and make those as consistent as possible. From a customer perspective, again, we want the customer experience to be consistent across all of our customers, regardless of where that customer may have came from. It came from an acquired business or whether it was a heritage PDI customer. So you'll see in 2019, we're investing in customer success. We're going to invest in additional service and support resources around the world to ensure that we can implement and service and support our customers around the world. There's challenge areas in the business and where we've got some customers who may not be as satisfied as we want them to be, and they need to be, and they deserve to be, considering the investments they've made in us. So we're going to be very focused on any challenge areas we have in the business and challenge kind of customer implementations and get them right and get those customers happy. So you'll see us invest in the customer significantly in 2019. From a solution perspective, continue to invest. You'll see continued investment toward the cloud and toward our common platform. You'll see us invest toward integration, where we're starting to tie some of the solutions that we talked about before, tie them together in a more integrated fashion to deliver a more seamless solution to our customers. Many of you have heard us talk about our solution strategy and how we go to market with what we call our invest solutions. And in some cases, there's still some gaps we have to close in those invest solutions to really make them the feature-rich solutions for the market. So we're going to invest in closing those gaps so that we can get our invest solutions to market faster. And then the last thing would be on infrastructure. In order to continue to support all this growth that we're seeing and all the things I'm talking about, you've got to have the infrastructure behind us. So we had a big investment and a lot of energy put toward what we call Project Everest in 2018. That's where we implemented our own back office ERP. We're going to finish that out. That's largely done, but there's a few pieces we need to finish out. We're going to finish that out in 2019, and then the next big emphasis is going to be around, now that we're on a common system within PDI. Let's really drive the right KPIs, the right metrics. Let's be able to report on those on a very regular basis and manage the business with the real key indicators of the business. And so you'll see us start to really drive scorecards and investing in scorecarding of the business in 2019. And the last area, which is a lot of times people think about it as more of a development initiative, but it's really a company-wide initiative, and that's this move toward an agile development environment. And so you'll see us invest significantly toward this agile migration or agile transformation in 2019. Everything we're doing to ensure that we have success across our three major stakeholders, and those stakeholders are our employees, our customers, and our investors. And so we want a great place to work. We want highly engaged employees. Those employees are going to build great product and deliver great service to customers. That will result in very happy customers. Happy customers are going to tend to continue to buy from us and buy more from us, and that's going to result in really strong financial performance. And so we stay focused on that really simple equation there, then I'm confident we're going to continue to see great results. All of that's got to be supported by operational excellence. So as we're building a great team and serving customers and delivering great financial results, having the right infrastructure in place and the right operations and kind of the excellence in operations will support ensuring we can deliver for those three stakeholders. We talked about the organizational change at the end of 2018, where we really created these 4 lines of business: our ERP solutions, our marketing solutions, our logistics solutions, and our pricing solutions. We've got leaders of each of those lines of business. The organization has now been set up to where we're going to emphasize the team members you see on the chart here that are in the kind of the blue shading, that are the leaders of our lines of business. We will, as we did last year, we will build strategic initiatives and then key metrics across all 4 of the kind of the 3 stakeholders plus operational excellence Those are finalized now and will be cascaded through the organization. And then we will take the metrics that we've identified and we will build the scorecards, as I talked about, and have a more automated fashion around ensuring that we can monitor the success of the business. We started this again last year, and you'll see us continue to have a regular metrics or kind of management system. So there are certain things we will check in on weekly, certain things we're going to check in on monthly, certain things we'll check in on quarterly, certain things we'll check in on annually. But all of those processes that were started in 18 will continue in 19 and get refined in 2019. And we've got a great year in front of us. We've got a tremendous opportunity. You're going to hear some more about that opportunity through some of the other presentations. Love the team that we've put together, love the opportunity that's in front of us, and I know that if we all come together as one PDI and one team, we'll achieve great success in 2019. Thanks and have a great year.